Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see how to create an awesome PPT presentation using the Intersect option. And now I have inserted an image, that is here we are going to show a picture, that is image inside a text, so that it will be stunning. And now I'm going to insert text box, and I'm going to write I'm going to write a word, that is fire. And write the word fire, and we can color, and then we can select another font so that will be seen stout, and also we can change the font size. And now also we have seen in the last video how to use the merge option, and in that several options are there. Check my video on that also. And in that, the order of selection was very important, so according to that, first I'm going to select the image, then the text, and then I'm going to shape format, where I can see the merge shapes, where I can see the intersect option. So if you select this option, you can show the picture inside the text. So like this, whatever picture you want to show in the text, you can do that using this intersect option in the merge option. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.